What if I told you Texas isn't one state anymore?
Different environments, different choices, unified by the underlying patterns of thought.
We've isolated the core components, the gears of habit, the lines of routine, and the shapes of underlying values. Welcome to Human Mind Secrets.
We've utilized the data overlays to redefine the operational zones across Texas, ensuring seamless integration and optimized performance.
East Texas thinks like the South.
Community comes before speed.
Change here feels personal.
The brain prefers familiarity over risk.
Central Texas runs on ambition.
Ideas move faster than traditions.
People here reinvent themselves often.
The brain adapts when opportunity is constant. West Texas values space and self-reliance.
Less noise, more independence.
Freedom beats comfort here.
The brain relaxes when control feels personal.
Environment shapes behavior faster than laws. Your brain mirrors what surrounds you daily.
Jobs, land, and pace create identity.
That's how invisible borders form.
None of this was planned.
It happened automatically.
Your brain does this everywhere.
Not just Texas.
So here's the real question. Which state does your mind live in?
Stable, growing, or independent? None are wrong. But each shapes your future. Awareness gives you choice. And choice changes everything.
Texas didn't split on a map.
It split in the human mind.
This is how hidden psychology works.
And we expose it here.
Subscribe to Human Mind Secrets.
Because once you see it, you can't unsee it.